My baby. Hello. Today we are having sweet and sour sauce, fried chicken, and sweet and sour sauce. I missed you so much. Today, can you guess who we are?
Dry mala fire noodles. First bite, honey bite. Still steaming, piping hot, steaming. Cheers. Mmm. 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 Remember how the soupy fire noodles I fell in love with? This one is just as good, but it's a little more flavorful than the soupy one. In our mozzarella cheese. You guys, this is cheese heaven. Mmm. How long can you pull? How long? And today we are back with another dun mukbang. Woo! But today
get that dough. Yeah, eat that dough. Make that dough. Pat that dough. Eat it. Make that dough. Eat it and eat it. I got all the dough. I eat the dough. I bake the dough. I pat the dough. Expect my picture to look like I'm a queen, okay? Yeah. I got all the dough. I eat the dough. I bake the dough. I pat the dough. I'm a princess. I'm gonna be You better like me. You better fucking laugh me. You better subscribe to me. You better give me that dough.